Number 9, we want to find the equation for the line with the given property. We want to express the answer in general or slope-intercept form. And what we see is we're going to be parallel to this line, which is in standard form, and it contains the point 0, 0. Okay, so parallel. Got to remind ourselves, what does that mean? Do not say two lines that do not cross. So parallel, same slope. So in order to figure out the slope, we need to first put this line that is in general form or standard form into slope-intercept form, which means we need to solve for y. We need to get y by itself. And that is negative 16. Alright, so to get y by itself, we have to get rid of this 8x. So we're going to subtract 8x from both sides of the equal sign. That goes to 0. Bring down your negative y equals, these are not like terms, whole number. This is a number with a variable, so we write them separately. Negative 8x minus 16. Put it that way because normally slope-intercept form we have x out front. Now we cannot have y be negative, so we have to divide by negative 1, or you can say multiply by negative 1, and it will be the same, and we get y, positive y, equals 8x plus 16. Alright, now that we have it in slope-intercept form, we can see that our slope is 8. So the slope that we need is 8. The point we're going to use is the ordered pair 0, 0. What do you notice about this point? X is 0. This is your y-intercept. So your y-intercept is just 0. So you know your slope now. You know your y-intercept. You can plug them in to slope-intercept form. If you do not notice that, then you have to use point-slope form. So you get 8 times x plus 0, but plus 0 doesn't change, so you get y equals 8x. Now, this one would not take very long since the ordered pair is 0, 0, so I will go ahead and show you point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Alright, so we would do y minus the y value of 0 equals our slope, which is 8, times the x minus the x value of 0. So when you simplify, we just get y equals, you can simplify that, you have 8x, because x minus 0 is still x, and then you just have 8x. So it would be the same thing in this case. But if you had numbers, you'd have to distribute, move that term over, and there'll be a lot more work if you had other numbers. So y equals 8x.